Ever since Prime Day was announced, ACOS has been spiking across the board as customers right now are becoming window shoppers. So with Prime Day coming up on the 21st and the 22nd, before that time, I want to cover as much as I can the psychology of the time before Prime Day and what you should be looking out for and what you should be doing if you are a Prime Day product or if you aren't. Okay, so first off, so many people have asked me what's been going on, why are my conversions dropping? Window shoppers. Okay, so if you haven't heard this theory before, it's any time Prime Days are announced or before a big holiday, before people know deals are going to happen, they become window shoppers online. What they do, and I use this example, Bose headphones. These are one of the most popular electronic products on all of Amazon. These over-the-ear headphones, and these Bose ones specifically are, you guys see they almost have 50K reviews. They are a massive product. So they are running a deal right now. But the best way to describe this, if I know I want to buy these for myself, they are a very expensive item. I am going to click on this and research it and look at it and learn about the product. But I'm not going to buy it yet because I know that during Prime Day, there's probably an even better deal. Okay? That's it. So that's what's happening with ads right now. And especially, I typed in Bose headphones here, and obviously they have some competitors clicking on them. People are clicking like crazy right now. A lot of impressions, a lot of clicks, not much conversions because people are researching and prepping for what they're buying for Prime Day. So very quickly, I just want to come in here and just show you two accounts of the many that I have that are spiking right now and what we're doing. So this is one, and to be totally honest, I don't have many brands right now that are going to have a huge Prime Day. I don't have many electronics or big kitchen items or anything like that. Prime Day is again, it's electronic based, items that are higher priced that people are looking for steep discounts. I don't have many of those brands right now. So these guys, Prime Day was announced about the 31st or the 1st. So normally they would spend about $1,200 to $1,300 a day, and ACOS was at 13%. Okay, as this came up, and I saw this, we dropped spend to about half of what we were spending. ACOS is still spiking. Okay, so I understand that ACOS has only gone up a couple percent for them, but it is spiking. But we're trying to offset that with less spend. We know people are not buying stuff right now. Even if it's generic products, they're just not buying that much. So I just want to show you one more here. So here's another one, and I went back a little farther on the data. You can see that normally they would spend about $2,500 a day and have about 25% ACOS. Okay, we had a few small dips, we had a big spike here, and then on the second, we flip-flopped. So spend went way down, ACOS went way up, and it's climbing and it's climbing, okay? Because this is about a $20 item. It's a bestseller in its category, but it's a $20 item. People, it's not going to do too well, but we're still seeing much lower conversions for this because everyone is waiting. So even on Prime Day, there's a halo effect, and that's why I want to come back to this. There is a halo effect. So people are going to say, well, what do you do? So first off, if you are not a Prime Day product and your ACOS is spiking right now, don't be afraid to lower your spend. Okay? Don't be afraid to lower it because it's going to stay this way for about another week. And then it's going to pick up probably like the 18th or 19th. We're really going to start to see some more conversions through the 22nd or the 23rd maybe. So don't go in there. Don't change your bids. Don't freak out. Everyone is seeing this right now. Lower your spend, be a little patient, and then wait for the people to actually start converting. Now, what's going to happen is once Prime Day does come around and people buy, let's say these headphones go for $200 on Prime Day, right? They're going to go like crazy, right? There's going to be 100,000 units of these sold or something like that. So on Prime Day, what people are doing is they're looking for that one big ticket item. They have it in their mind, they're researching it. Like, I am waiting for these Bose headphones to go on sale so I can buy them. Also, what I am also doing on Prime Day is I am going to add a bunch of other stuff to my cart because I want to just spend money. I'm in a spend money mood. So let's go back to it. If I normally buy coffee on Amazon, now I have my Bose headphones added to my cart, and then I'm like, you know what? Let's just go crazy. I'm gonna add Death Wish coffee. Also, I think my kids, might need some notebooks, so I'm gonna add notebooks to my cart. So what happens with Prime Day is the average units per cart is crazy high because let's say I want to buy notebooks right now, right? I want to buy notebooks, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going to spend $500 on Prime Day. So let's just wait. There's a small chance these notebooks are going to have a little coupon on them. So maybe I'll even add these to my cart right now, but I won't check out and I won't buy them. So I'm going to click, right? And just so I don't forget, I'm going to add these to my cart, but I'm not going to buy them right now. Once Prime Day comes around, I'm going to have like 10 things in my cart. That's why we all know the crazy social media stuff. The day after Prime Day, people take pictures of their porches, all of these boxes. Not all of those boxes are expensive items. They're items that people have been waiting for to buy. Maybe I need some new kitchen scissors and I'm going to wait until Prime Day to buy them. This is the halo effect. So this is also what people ask me is, okay, well, what do I do with my spend on Prime Day? And I'm going to keep making a lot of videos about this as this approaches. You don't have to go crazy with it. You don't have to go crazy with it. All of my clients that are bestsellers in their category, we're going to maybe put a 10% coupon on things. We'll probably double our budget, but other than that, we're not doing any lightning deals. We're not doing any crazy 50% discounts. Our halo effect is going to be so strong, we're just going to ride that wave. Because we know people aren't looking for $20 items and they're not going to do a crazy amount, right? We're taking advantage of this. We're lowering spend right now, and then about 5 days before Prime Day, we're going to kick those coupons on. We're going to up our spend, and then we're going to go from there. Okay? So I think that should at least get some of you guys, it should calm some of you down, and that was the point of this video. And then I have a couple more strategies on videos that I'm going to keep launching here as Prime Day gets closer. But for right now, sit tight, stay patient, and just very, very closely monitor this stuff. And don't be worried if you're not converting right now.